Red ball, the heavyweight champion, pulling out. Right here, we say. You know when I can pull out a mess out that mess, man. And then watch out. For a minute, man, I couldn't understand a cat bigger bag, and then you woke up on cat bigger, top cat bigger. I got to go, man. This one right here. Hey, number two, man. Red ball sitting around the corner, and I'm back out. Tell him I beat him to death. Hey, red ball.
God, he slaughtered him.
Give me the cat bigger death. Tell him I beat him to death. No competition. Take care of red ball. The heavyweight champion is cooking. Pull it out. I can't do nothing. Bye, heavyweight champ. Bye, heavyweight champ. Okay, I'm going to get out of here, man. You need to eat a lightweight alone, champion. Hey, you
Hey, tell that red ball 602 said hello. Tell that red ball 602 said hello. Let's go.
ball, I'm back out. Bye, red ball. Hey, red ball. I give him a pass. Tell him he got a pass. I'm going to stand by. Hey, red ball, don't key up now, because he's going to be on the ball playing in. I wanted to hit. Tell him I'm going to give him a pass. Red ball, the number one man in this grand big AC Mobile is in the club. What's that? You know, okay, number one.
Hello, DX Land. Hello, DX Land 602 in Washington. Hello, DX Land 602 Washington State. Let's go.
You can't figure it out. So I'm going to get out of here. Catch y'all later.
How about DX Land 602 in Washington? Let's go.
On the Mighty Lady ground playing. I'm standing by. 8602. 8602. The heavyweight champs. I got this big drive on you too, goddamn.
I'm sorry about that red ball. It was me, 602. I kind of crushed you. I'm sorry. No, I know I didn't bother you, but you were talking. I keyed up for DX Land, and all of a sudden you unkeyed, and I heard a wave of people calling me back. I didn't mean to step on the man. I didn't mean to step on the man. I just was trying. I was tuning something. That's it. Sorry about that red ball 602 in the Northwest. Hello, DX Land. This is 602 around Washington. Let's go. Hello, Mr. 139. Hello, Mr. 139, 602 in Washington. Let's go. Well, thousands of miles between us, though. 602 around Seattle. Let's go.